Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving deep into the world of covered patio roof designs. But what exactly does this mean? At its core, a covered patio roof design refers to a structural extension of your home or a standalone overhead feature designed to provide shelter over your outdoor seating area. Unlike a standard open deck, a covered patio incorporates a solid or semi-solid ceiling, such as a gable roof, a lean-to, or an adjustable louvered system, that defines the space as a true outdoor room. It is the bridge between the comfort of your indoors and the beauty of the natural world, ensuring that your patio is more than just a slab of concrete, but a purposeful architectural feature of your property. The benefits of installing a covered patio roof are truly transformative for any homeowner. First and foremost, it offers year-round protection from the elements, meaning a sudden rain shower or the scorching midday sun won't ruin your plans. This protection extends to your expensive outdoor furniture as well, preventing fading from UV rays and water damage from storms. Beyond functionality, a well-designed roof significantly boosts your home's market value and curb appeal by creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. It also provides a unique opportunity for climate control. By adding ceiling fans or integrated heaters, you can enjoy the fresh air even during the peak of summer or the chill of autumn. Ultimately, it turns an underutilized backyard into a sanctuary for relaxation and a premium hub for entertaining guests. Decorating a covered patio requires a balance between durability and high-end aesthetics to achieve that indoor-outdoor flow. Start by treating the ceiling as a fifth wall. Consider adding wood tongue-and-groove planks or a fresh coat of paint to draw the eye upward and add warmth. Lighting is your best friend here. Layering your light sources with a central statement chandelier, recessed pot lights, and soft string lights will create a magical ambience after sunset. To make the space feel cozy, use outdoor-rated rugs to define different zones, such as a dining area and a lounging spot. Don't be afraid to use textiles like weather-resistant throw pillows and sheer outdoor curtains, which add softness and a touch of luxury. Finally, incorporate vertical greenery or hanging planters to soften the structural lines of the roof and blend the space into the surrounding garden. When it comes to outfitting your covered patio, the best items are those that blend comfort with extreme durability. A high-quality sectional sofa with performance fabric cushions is a must-have for maximum relaxation. For the roof aspect, an outdoor ceiling fan is essential for air circulation, while a wall-mounted television or a projector screen can turn the space into an outdoor cinema. If you enjoy hosting, a built-in outdoor kitchen or a sleek bar island under the roof provides the ultimate convenience. Fire features are also top-tier additions. Whether it's a modern gas fire table or a grand stone fireplace integrated into the roof structure, it provides a focal point and warmth. Lastly, consider smart technology like motorized shades or louvered roof panels that allow you to control the amount of sunlight with the touch of a button. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best covered patio roof design ideas to inspire you for your next project. One modern rustic timber pavilion. This design features a stunning dark stained wood ceiling with exposed beams that create a warm, lodge-like atmosphere. The integration of a large white stone fireplace and a sleek outdoor dining set makes it the perfect blend of rustic charm and modern sophistication. 2. The sleek concrete and fire pit lounge. A minimalist approach where the roof is an extension of the home's modern architecture, featuring recessed lighting and a clean wood-paneled ceiling. The highlight is the circular fire pit surrounded by comfortable wicker seating, perfect for cozy forest-side evenings. 3. Classic white gable pavilion. This freestanding structure uses a traditional gable roof with crisp white columns and a dark shingle top. The interior is light and airy, featuring a dark iron chandelier and comfortable reddish-toned furniture that pops against the light gray stone flooring. 4. Mediterranean brick and wood retreat. This cozy design uses sturdy brick pillars to support a deep wood-toned hip roof. The warm glow from the integrated ceiling fan light and the comfortable lounge chairs create an inviting space that feels like a private villa in your own backyard. 5. The cantilevered contemporary shade. A masterpiece of modern engineering, this design features a floating-style roof with a beautiful wood slat underside. The use of a corner sectional and a minimalist fire bowl on a stone patio provides a clean, unobstructed view of the surrounding lush greenery. 6. Grand Estate Covered Terrace. This expansive design features white brick arches and a massive vaulted ceiling that matches the home's architecture. With a full outdoor kitchen, a wall-mounted TV, and a central fire pit, it is the ultimate destination for luxury outdoor entertaining. 7. The bright and airy louvered extension. Perfect for modern suburban homes, this clean white roof extension features a louvered section to control light and airflow. The seamless transition from the indoor dining area to the outdoor lawn makes the backyard feel like a natural extension of the living room. 8. The minimalist Zen gazebo. A dark, flat-roofed structure that provides a sharp contrast to the green garden. The integrated linear fireplace and the symmetrical furniture arrangement create a peaceful, balanced environment that is perfect for meditation or quiet conversation. 9. The ultimate poolside bar and grill. This vaulted wood ceiling design acts as a full-service outdoor entertainment hub. Featuring a stone-wrapped bar, a pool-facing lounge area, and a built-in grill station, it brings the resort life directly to your home's exterior. 10. The modern pergola with integrated lighting. A sophisticated louvered roof system supported by dark metal beams and accented by a white brick privacy wall. The clever use of ground-level lighting and a large, comfortable outdoor sofa makes this a stylish spot for nighttime relaxation. In conclusion, a covered patio roof is one of the smartest investments you can make for your home. It not only provides a shield against the weather but also creates a beautiful, functional space where memories are made. Whether you prefer the rustic look of exposed timber or the clean lines of a modern louvered system, there is a design out there that will perfectly complement your lifestyle and your home's architecture. Thank you for joining us as we explored these stunning outdoor inspirations. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly home improvement and decor inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to click the notification bell so you never miss a video on how to turn your house into a dream home. See you in the next one.